What's for dinner? Homemade pizza and cheese croissants. Stay tuned. Tonight we're making homemade pizza. The first thing that I'm gonna do is make my son's pizza. He's eating a mini cheese pizza, pretty quick and easy. We're using Pillsbury dough croissants and also their pizza dough to make all of our pizzas and croissants tonight. While making the cheese croissants, I'm just stuffing them with mozzarella cheese and Italian seasoning. My husband decided to have a seafood pizza tonight. He decided to add in shrimp, crab meat, and also scallops. On the other hand, my pizza is a very meatless pizza. It only has cheese, spinach, tomatoes, and a little bit other veggies, and of course mozzarella cheese. A super easy homemade pizza night. If you guys decide to make any of these pizzas, definitely comment down below and let me know how they turned out. They were all delicious and I can't wait to make every single one of these pizzas and the croissants again. Thanks so much for watching.